Hello everybody, and welcome to another video with me, Ro, from Scalpel and Stem. In this video, I'm going to talk about taking your time with tissue culture. If you're looking to get into tissue culture as a get-rich-quick idea, it's not going to happen. In order to produce quality plants, you need to take your time. Tissue culture is a very long-term process. The end game is worth it, but getting started and doing it right is going to take a lot of time. I want to show you an example. This is my pride and joy at the moment. It's been almost exactly 1 year since I took a leaf cutting off of variegated ZZ. This is a long-term example. I actually induced callous from the leaf and then went through the multiplication process. It was extremely long-term. It took almost exactly 1 year to get here from that leaf cutting. Now, this gorgeous variegated ZZ was definitely worth it, but it's still going to be at least 6 to 9 months before I have any additional baby plants to sell. One of the most frustrating things about tissue culture is without advanced techniques, you can't really control the variegation, so you end up getting a lot of white guys like this. Very pretty, but it's unlikely to live very long. You'll also end up with a lot of ones like this. I'm not sure if that's variegation. It might be, but it could also just be from the conditions in the jar. I haven't actually seen ZZ in tissue culture prior to this, so I'm not exactly sure what it's supposed to look like. It's important to remember that you also want to take your time while you're acclimating the plants. If you sell them too early or too young, they're not going to survive in other people's hands. The goal of tissue culture is to replicate good genetics and produce the best quality plants that you can at a reasonable price point so that everybody can own these gorgeous specimens. So it's important that we maintain the quality of our tissue cultures, following the best genetic lines and taking our time with each step of the process. Well, that's it for this video. I hope it was as much fun for you to watch as it was for me to make. Thanks for watching.